Factor tree of 192. So 192, it can be written as 2 times 96. 2 times 96 mean 192. 96, it can be written as 2 times 48. 2 times 48 mean 96. 48, it can be written as 2 times 24. 2 times 24 mean 48. 24, it can be written as 2 times 12. 2 times 12 mean 24. Now 12, it can be written as 2 times 6. 2 times 6 mean 12, and 6, it can be written as 2 times 3. 2 times 3 mean 6. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, these all 2, and at last 3. So we can write 192 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is these 2, these 2, these 2, these 2, these 2, these 2, and at last this 3. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.